Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s minus number 3. Because we have s, so I will put negative number 3 go to the left, and we have u plus 3 equals to s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s. This one we change by u. S we change by u plus 3. The s we change by the u. This one we have number 4. So u divided by u square, we have 1 over u. This one we keep the same. And now we have the final answer in here. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.